Boom, what's up everybody? My name is Kim Scotwell and today we're going to be taking it one step further from the video we did last week, which was how we can recover our files, documents, photos from old drives that has a different formatting file system than what you currently use. So if you have it formatted on an Apple, Windows machines can't read it. If you have it formatted NTSF, Apple machines can't write on it. And the same is the write that they can't. And so I'm going to show you using MiniTool's Partition Wizard. You can use the free version, and I'm going to show you how you now can format that drive since Windows can't see it. And we'll just get to it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave your comments down below, and we'll see you inside. Cool. So we're back inside the computer here, and you can see we have our disk internals, Linux reader here, and this is the hard drive we want to format and put on, make an NTFS file system. So before you do this, anything else, go in on this drive again, make sure you have copied all the data you want, because once you do this, you will not be able to get it back, okay? At least not everything. There will be corrupted files, I almost guarantee it. So make sure you have copied all the files you want. I'm just going to have it upper so I can make sure that I'm choosing the right drive here. So if we take up disk internals, I'm just going to drag it up a little bit. There we go. So I can look up here, find it, or I like this view here. So I can see this is the old one. This is one that says FE FAT32, other 1862.7 gigabytes. So that's 1862.7 gigabytes. And this is the drive I now want to format, because that's this drive here. So the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to mark this whole thing. I'm going to right click on it, and then we're going to do delete all partitions. And it's going to ask if you really want to do it on this disk. Again, make sure you're on the right disk, because after this part, you're going to have a hard time getting your information back, your files and folders and all that stuff. I'm going to hit yes. Now you can see it has made this into to unallocated, just deleted all the partitions, but it hasn't deleted them yet. You have to press this apply here, because if I now take off the Windows Finder, you don't see any unallocated drives here. So you can see operations pending. We got this one. It says we have two, delete, delete. So just make sure, hit apply. It's going to give you a warning that they strongly recommend you to have all other applications closed. And I'm going to hit OK or yes. It's doing its thing now. It says applied all the pending changes successfully, which is good. Now you can see we have a full drive here, but we still can't see it here because we haven't given it we haven't formatted it yet. So you can either click on it, right click on it, and then create, or you can go up here to disk. Let's see, where is it? Partition here and create. I just like the right click, create. It's gonna bring this up. I'm gonna call this old backup photos 2 terabyte VDHDD. That way I know this is the old drive and it's the backup of the photos and the size of it, and so I can physically find it later. You can see size and allocation, that's all it's going to be used. It's going to get the drive letter K. It's going to be NTSF. You can change it here if you want to. If you're on Windows, highly recommend NTSF. It's going to make sure it runs faster and less corruption possible. And cluster size, you can choose here. I just choose default. and you can again partition it, but I want it as one whole drive here. So just hit OK. Now you can see it's gone down here. It kind of looks like it's already formatted it, but it hasn't, because I still can't see it here under Windows Explorer. So just make sure operations pending 1, create K on disk 6, that's disk is right, hit apply. Again, just hit OK. See, it's pretty fast because I'm still running 2 instances of OBS Studio and Audacity on here, so you can see it does this pretty quickly. It tells me everything is okay successfully. So now we have old backup photos, 2 terabyte with the hidden NTSF. So if I now open up here Windows Explorer, you can now see that we have it down here. So now we can see it. So that is pretty much it, and I'm gonna just show you that it disappears from here. It's gonna turn out like this. So I'm just gonna go up, refresh drive list, or hit F2, and now you can see we have gotten it should be all backup photos has come here, and this is still, I don't know why it's still hanging around here, but it shouldn't. See, if I close this, we're all good to go. If you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave your comments down below, and let me know if you like MiniTool Partition Wizard. The free version is awesome. It has everything, and you can do all of this through there. You wouldn't be able to do this partitioning here from the Windows one. I tried that, my Windows couldn't find it, so I had to use MiniTools here. Again, see you all next time.